In this video, I'm going to show you how to make USB to DC cable. Things you need: a DC jack and any USB cable. Cut the end of the USB cable and cut the data wires too. Strip the positive and negative wires, in this case red and black. Take the DC jack, slide the sleeve into the USB cable and connect the black wire to negative and red to positive. Use the image shown in the video as reference. And add a piece of tape in between the connections so it doesn't short itself, and screw the sleeve back on.